Hello friends, welcome to Nadeem Raja Terrace Garden. Today we will talk about the Tulsi Basil, 11 powerful health benefit of Tulsi. Tulsi or holy basil is widely known herb in the family of Lamiaceae. It is the native to India and the vastly cultivated throughout Southeast Asia. Tulsi has proved to be highly effective in protecting our body from various infections and disease of heart, liver, skin, kidney, etc. So Tulsi is rightly called the queen of herbs. Tulsi has a special place in Ayurveda as well as the home of Hindus in India. It is considered sacred by the Hindus and worshipped by them. Three main types of Tulsi are seen growing in India: bright green colors called Ram Tulsi, purplish green leaves called Krishna Tulsi, and the common wild one Tulsi. Nutritional value: Tulsi leaves are rich in vitamin A, C, and K and minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and potassium. It also has a good amount of protein and fiber. 11 research backed benefit of Tulsi are natural immunity booster. Tulsi is rich in vitamin C and zinc. It thus acts as a natural immunity booster and keeps infection at bay. It has immense antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal property which protect us from variety of infection. Tulsi leaves extract increases the T helper cells and the natural killer cells activity, boosting the immune system. Second, reduces fever, antipyretic and the pain analgesics. Tulsi has antibacterial and the antiviral properties which help to fight infection, thus reducing fever. The fresh juice of Tulsi taken with black pepper powder cures periodic fevers. Tulsi leaves boiled with the powder, cardamom, elaichi in the half a liter of water and mixed with the sugar and milk is also effective in reducing temperature. Third, reduces cold, cough and other respiratory disorders. Camphacenolone and the eugenol present in Tulsi help the reduce cold and the congestions in the chest. Juice of Tulsi leaves mixed with the honey and the ginger is effective in the bronchitis, asthma, influenza, cough and the cold. Fourth, reduces stress and the blood pressure. Tulsi contain compounds osimodicide A and B. These compounds reduce stress and balance the neurotransmitters serotonin and the dopamine in the brain. Anti-inflammatory property of Tulsi reduce inflammation and the blood pressure. Fifth, anti-cancer properties. Phytochemicals present in Tulsi have strong antioxidant property, thus they help in the protecting us from skin, liver, oral and the lung cancers. Good for health. 6. Tulsi has a profound effect on treatment and the prevention of the cardiovascular disease by means of the lowering blood lipid content, suppressing ischemia and the stroke, reducing hypertension and also due to the higher antioxidant property. Read more about tips for healthy heart. 7. Good for diabetic patient. Extract of Tulsi leaves has shown to the lower blood glucose level in the patient with type 2 diabetes. 8. Useful in kidney stones and the gouty arthritis. Tulsi detoxifies the body and has the diuretic property. It decreases the level of uric acid in the body, which is the main reason why kidney stones are formed. Reduction in the uric acid levels also providing relief to the patient of suffering from gout. 9. Useful in the gastrointestinal disorder. Tulsi leaves help to cure indigestion and the loss of appetite. They are also used for the treatment of flatulence and the bloating. 10. Good for skin and hair. Tulsi helps clear out the skin of the blemishes and the acne. It is rich in the antioxidant and that help it to prevent premature aging. Tulsi also strengthens our hair roots and thus preventing hair loss. Antifungal property of Tulsi prevent the development of fungus and the dandruff. 11. Act as an insect repellent. For centuries, the dried Tulsi leaves have been mixed with the stored and grain to repel insects. How to consume Tulsi? Consume Tulsi leaf raw, plucked fresh from the plant, add in your tea or make kadha out of it. Tulsi tea. To make Tulsi tea, boil 1 cup of water and pour it over 1 50 tablespoon of the fresh tulsi leaves, 1/2 tablespoon of the dry tulsi leaf, or 1/3 tablespoon of tulsi powder. Cover the water in the pour mug and let it steep for the 15 to 20 minutes. For the strain the leaves, add honey if dried, and enjoy. Tulsi powder and the supplement are also available in the market for the consumption. Thanks a lot of you. Subscribe and the like.